So that's the heat shield. Yeah, you talk. I'll let you talk here.
All right, heat shield, Cusco, made in Japan, high quality. We're gonna put the shield on. I forgot how it goes.
Oh my lord.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, there we go.
Boom. Okay. I had to make another trip to our favorite auto parts store to get a, what is it? M10 by 1.25.
Yeah, 25 millimeter or something. Yeah, we threaded it through.
We're good to go. So now it's gonna take out the one on the looks like diff tranny, whatever.
Yeah, let's try it again. Round 5 with a swivel this time.
Woo!
You get it?
I think it's gonna come up. Oh. Maybe it's gonna lock tight on it. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit. See if that works. Can we tighten it up?
Okay.
I didn't feel anything.
Oh!
That was your transmission track.
I thought you were already clapping. Oh man. Woo. We're getting somewhere.
Alright, break. Okay. Is that what? I thought it was silver.
Oh, is that what color it is?
Oh, this is a drain plug.
Oh, I hope not. How about they have laughter if like something unrelated happens now?
Okay. Finally ready.
All right, you know how to do this? You got this?
Okay, the bolt there. Is it there? Nice. If you want, you can put gold film if you want.
Oh, we didn't put gold film.
Should you threaded this thing already?
Yeah, all the way through. All the way to the end.
It's not rolling. Oh. It's going.
Gucci main.
Gucci enough, I guess. Alright, hand tight. And then the bottom one. Woo!
So we don't want to get grease on our downpipe now.
Woo! Yeah. It's a grease shield, not a heat shield.
It's a grease shield.
Alright, so this one's a 14, you said?
Yeah. Make sure you put it so tight that you can't take it out like last time. I think it's on there now. It's all bending.
Okay.
Okay. I need a 14 over here on this side. 15, I'm sorry, 15. But I need like a deep an extension. Let me check this out. Alright. Look how far I'm traveling though. Look how far I'm traveling.
Woo! There we go.
we like to get our, make sure we get our angles here. There we go. Let me I like to do it from outside of the car.
You got it?
I think it's good.
Nice. And it is on.
Let me see if you can watch me get it. Taking it out.
Nice.
There we go. Came in handy. Alright, I'm tired. What are we doing? Shove it.
Put it back in.
Here, let me go on this side. Oh yeah, we're gonna quadruple record now.
This one. We got the boot on.
Yeah, we got the boot on. Got the close pump on.
Oh, this camera thing's right the real way, man. Try this at home, kids. I guess I just line it up, right?
Hold on, let me get closer in there.
Wait, is there a certain way to... It's like it's all the same.
The spline?
Yeah. Okay, ready? Oof. Is that it?
Yep. Sounds like a click to me.
Oh yeah, it's in there. Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, there.
It's in?
Yeah, I'm about to now.
Okay, now.
Okay. Huh? Okay. Now I need a flat blade, a badass one, and a hammer.
Everything. It's full of grease. These are actually clean right now.
Then he doesn't sit. Then he doesn't spot it.
Huh?
That's probably we gotta hit it. It's supposed to be a cut there. It's like gone. Look right there. This would be like an actual tang, what they call it.
An action. Okay, so we hope you liked the video. Yes, I know I'm wearing a different shirt. It's a different day. You know, we're recording this several days later after we did the CV boot. But yeah, we hope you liked the video. It was kind of an ultimate pain in the rear, as you may have seen us struggle with the grease, adding the grease, the bearings, the everything. It was just a pain. So we're gonna be doing some more things with this car. It has yet, actually, correction, it has moved out of the garage one time to there and back. So now we're on to the next new problem, which you'll see in the next video. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. I know it was a little lengthy, but we tried doing our best with what we could, because it looked a lot easier than we thought, but it wasn't. So yeah, make sure to keep watching and stay tuned for more videos.